Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X2 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to this phone. In the beginning you have to go to settings and enter system settings. Scroll all the way down and enable OTG connection. Now I've got the pendrive with the SD card inserted. Let's insert it to the USB-C charging port. Go to Files. And right here on the bottom of the list, you can find OTG. Let's enter it. And now you can browse every folder it's saved on the pendrive. If you want to close this function, simply remove the pendrive, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.